There you go. Well, for more on finance, we're joined now by senior market analyst with Stock Market Newsletter, Marcus Today, Henry Jennings. Henry, welcome back to News Breakfast.
Hi, James.
Now, uncertainty out of the United States. Where do we even begin? But I'm just guessing that some of these comments from the president about tariffs, potential tariffs, certain dates for tariffs to come in, tariffs to come off, might lead to a bit of volatility in US reporting season.
Well, that's certainly going to be the case, James. I'm always reluctant to talk on a Monday morning because it's Sunday night in the US, and by the time I start thinking about something, it's already changed. Donald Trump's put a tweet out or something on Truth suggesting that tariffs go here, there and everywhere. So over the weekend, we did see risks to Europe with a 30% tariff there. And of course, that is the big one at the moment that is still being negotiated. Cars and agricultural products very much in focus. And we do kick off reporting season this week in the US. Some big banks coming out, and they should have done quite well during all the volatility we've seen in the last quarter. But expectations are pretty low in terms of profit expectations. 2.5% growth in profits is the estimates. So we don't have huge expectations out there, and hopefully we'll meet those expectations. But you do get the feeling that there is a sort of a calm before the storm. We got all excited about that July 9th deadline. Now we've got, of course, the August 1st deadline as well. So it's going to be interesting times, James, that's for sure.
Yeah, and no doubt that deadline has a pretty decent chance of slipping too, depending on how negotiations are going. Tell us what's happening on the iron ore market at the moment. Obviously, this is a really big thing for Australia's budget, but there's been a bit of a rally.
Well, there has. I'm not sure it's got anything to do with Prime Minister Albanese going to Beijing. Maybe it has. But there has been rumours last week about some more stimulus going into Chinese housing, which has been a real problem for the Chinese economy. And it really has shown the deflation that is in the economy. So there was some stories that maybe we're going to get some stimulus this week. Maybe there's going to be a meeting. It was only on social media. But the iron ore price, which was languishing around 92, 93 US dollars a tonne, is nearly back to $100, and BHP has rallied around 10% in the last 3 weeks. Fortescue's up around 16-17% in the same time frame, while at the same time Commonwealth Bank has actually fallen. I know that's hard to believe, but they're down around 2.6% in the same time frame. So there is a bit of a shift going on. Whether it lasts beyond this week, we'll wait and see. But certainly we are looking for more stimulus coming out of China, especially on the housing side of things.
All right, Henry, thanks for your time this morning.
My pleasure. Thanks, James.